Here's a more detailed, exam-ready expansion of Etomidate with deeper clinical insights, mechanisms, and practical points. Detailed study note. 1. Basic information. Generic name, Etomidate. Drug class, imidazole derivative. Non-barbiturate IV anesthetic, hypnotic. Brand name, Amidate. Formulation, IV injection, usually in propylene glycol or lipid emulsion. Number 2. Definition, expanded. Etomidate is a rapid onset, ultra short acting intravenous hypnotic agent used mainly for induction of anesthesia and airway management, characterized by minimal cardiovascular and respiratory depression compared to other agents. 3. Mechanism of action, detailed. Axon GABA A receptor, increases chloride ion influx, neuronal hyperpolarization, CNS depression. Additional mechanism, inhibits 11-beta-hydroxylase enzyme in adrenal cortex, cortisol and aldosterone synthesis, leads to adrenal suppression. This is a key exam point. 4. Pharmacokinetics in depth. Absorption, given IV, 100% bioavailability. Distribution, rapid distribution to brain, quick hypnosis, highly protein bound, 75%. Redistribution to muscle and fat, short duration. Metabolism, liver plus plasma esterases, produces inactive metabolites. Elimination, kidney 75%. Half-life 2 to 5 hours, clinical effect much shorter. Number 5. Pharmacodynamics. CNS, hypnosis without analgesia. CVS, minimal change in HR, BP, cardiac output. Respiratory, mild depression, less than propofol. Endocrine, suppresses adrenal steroid synthesis. 6. Expanded clinical use. Induction of general anesthesia. Rapid sequence intubation, RSI, especially in trauma, shock, cardiac instability, procedural sedation, cardioversion, endoscopy, neurosurgery, intracranial pressure. Number 7. Indications, clinical context. Hemodynamically unstable patients, severe hypotension risk, head injury, maintain cerebral perfusion pressure, emergency airway management. 8. Contraindications, detailed. Absolute, hypersensitivity. Relative sepsis, controversial due to adrenal suppression, chronic adrenal insufficiency, e.g. Addison's disease, long-term ICU sedation. Number 9. Precautions, before administration, monitor ECG, oxygen saturation, blood pressure. Pretreatment may be needed. Opioids reduce myoclonus. Benzodiazepines reduce excitatory movements. Use caution in elderly, critically ill, electrolyte imbalance. Number 10. How to use clinical technique. Administer IV over 30 to 60 seconds. Avoid rapid bolus, reduces side effects. Use in operation theater, ICU, emergency department. 11. Dosing information. Adults, induction 0.2 to 0.3 milligram kilogram IV. Special populations, elderly 0.15 to 0.2 milligram, debilitated, lower dose. Pediatrics, similar weight-based dosing. Continuous infusion, generally avoided due to adrenal suppression. 12. Missed dose, overdose. Missed dose, not applicable, hospital administered. Overdose, signs apnea, deep coma, hypotension, rare. Management, airway support, oxygen ventilation, supportive therapy. Number 13. When to stop, avoid. Avoid repeated dosing. Avoid continuous infusion. Avoid septic shock, debated but important exam point. Number 14. Side effects, expanded. Common, myoclonus, up to 30 to 60%. Injection site pain, nausea, vomiting. Moderate, transient apnea, hiccups. Serious, adrenal suppression, cortisol for 6 to 24 hours, respiratory depression, rare allergic reactions. Number 15. Vital clinical points, high yield. No analgesia, always combined with analgesic. Best induction agent in shock, cardiac disease. Causes, intracranial pressure, cerebral metabolic rate. Preserves, hemodynamic stability. Number 16. Drug interactions, detailed. Opioids, e.g. fentanyl, respiratory depression, benzodiazepines, sedation, neuromuscular blockers used in RSI, other anesthetics, additive CNS depression. Number 17. Drug comparison expanded. Etomidate versus propofol ketamine, feature etomidate propofol ketamine. BP effect stable, analgesia, no, yes. ICP effect on adrenal suppression, yes, no. Hallucinations, no, yes. Myoclonus, common, rare. Summary. Etomidate, best for unstable patients. Propofol, smooth sedation. Ketamine, best for traumas, analgesia. Number 18. Patient teaching. Patient teaching for Etomidate. 1. What the patient should know before the procedure. This medicine is used to make you sleep quickly for a procedure or surgery. It is given through a vein, IV by trained healthcare professionals. You will lose consciousness within seconds after injection. 2. What the patient may experience. Rapid onset of sleep within 30 to 60 seconds, possible brief muscle jerks, myoclonus, mild burning, or pain at injection site. You will not feel or remember the procedure. Tier 3. Breathing and monitoring. Your breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure will be closely monitored. You may receive oxygen, assistance with breathing if needed. 4. Important instructions. Before receiving Etomidate, do not eat or drink for several hours before, as advised. Inform your doctor if you have hormonal problems, especially adrenal issues, history of allergies, current medications, especially sedatives or opioids. Avoid alcohol or sedatives before the procedure. 5. After the procedure, you may feel drowsy, weak, slightly confused for a short time. You might experience nausea or vomiting. Safety advice: do not drive or operate machinery for 24 hours. Avoid making important decisions the same day. Have someone accompany you home if outpatient. 6. When to seek medical help. Tell your doctor immediately if you experience difficulty breathing, severe dizziness or fainting, persistent vomiting, signs of allergic reaction, rash, swelling, difficulty breathing. 7. Special advice. This drug does not relieve pain, so other medications may be given. It is usually used only once or short term. Repeated use is avoided due to effects on hormone levels. 8. Key reassurance points. The drug is fast-acting and short-lasting. It is commonly used in emergencies because it is safe for the heart and blood pressure. You will be continuously monitored throughout the procedure. Thank you. Have a nice day.